topic of today's video is the evolution of stress. So basically, before starting the video, I would like to tell you one important quote, and that is crave for more but don't stress for more. The moment you'll take stress for having more in your life is the moment you will ruin your happiness. This is the quote you need to keep in your mind throughout this video. Before going deep into the video, let's hear a short story of a king, servant and a minister. The king was a bit stressed even after having a lot of wealth, a Raj Mahal and a lot of servants. So he was just figuring out the answer of this question, and on the way he met one of his servants singing and dancing and going out from the hall. When the king saw this, he calls the servant and asks, what is the reason for your happiness? Why are you singing? Why are you dancing like this? He replies that I don't want anything in life except for my family, for my children to be happy and I being happy in my life. I have one roof over my head. I earn enough for the living for my family and myself, and I don't need much from life. I just want to be happy and satisfied from the life. After listening to his answer, the king says him to go and calls one of his ministers, and the king asks minister the reason for him being unhappy or stressed. So the minister replies that I want to demonstrate an important experiment that will serve you an important purpose in your life. So the minister asks king for 99 gold coins, but the king gets a little bit confused about the number of that currency. So he replies to his minister that I would rather pay 100 gold coins than 99, but the minister insists of having only 99 gold coins. So the king arranges those gold coins and gave all of them to ministers in a sack, and the minister put all those 99 gold coins which were in the sack in the front of the house of that servant. And when the servant saw the sack full of gold coins, he was really happy and excited, but his happiness was not a long-term happiness, and his happiness turns into frustration when he sees that the sack has only 99 gold coins, and he automatically thought that one gold coin must be lost somewhere here, so I'll search for it. And in order to search for that one gold coin, he spent his whole night, and the next day he misses to go to Raj Mahal, and in the frustration he scolds his wife and his children that they didn't assist him to search for that one gold coin. So see how that happiness turned into frustration in just couple of minutes. So basically this story is simply to demonstrate you that in order to be happy, you don't need to be perfect. Perfectionism ruins everything. I hope you learned a lesson from this story that when you will chase perfectionism, you will get more stress. So stop being perfect. And the next thing is, when we were child, we didn't know about the consequences of the things we were doing. We were mindlessly doing this, we were mindlessly playing with mud. We didn't know consequences. So I'm not saying that at this age, when you are older, you don't need to think of the consequences that might happen in the future. But the thing is, you don't need to constantly think of them. That's the future thing. The only place where you live is present. That is now. You need to live here. It's okay to have consequences in your mind that okay, if everything goes well, I'll be there. If something doesn't go well, I'll be there. But it's not okay to keep them every time in your mind, because they create a lot of stress in your mind. You constantly think, what if this thing doesn't work out? My 10 years or 5 years or 2 years will be ruined. You'll think like that if you think of the consequences. But when you think of the process, when you think of the work that you are doing, when you love the work, then you won't think of the consequences. You'll have the outcomes obviously in your minds that this might happen, but you'll be happy if this thing doesn't work out, because after all, you'll get some lessons to learn, you'll get some skill set that might help you in the future. Always crave for more, but don't stress for more. So I'll tell you one more thing, that stress are of two types. One is a good stress, second is a bad stress. A good stress is kind of that grows you in the long term, and a bad stress is which ruins you simply. So taking the example of gym, imagine you are lifting 12.5 kgs of dumbbell on one bicep. So when you are constantly upgrading the weight after 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, that is a good stress because you are doing in a long span of time. But if you take the example of bad stress, then If you're lifting 12.5 kgs of dumbbells on your bicep right now, and if you want to directly jump to 15 kgs, then directly picking up 15 kg dumbbells will harm your muscles, and you don't want that. For that moment you might feel like Captain America or Hulk lifting 15 kgs on one bicep, but for long term it's very harmful. It will tear your muscles. And these examples go well with the life. If you want to build something strong that won't break in the long term, you have to build tension slowly. You'll have to take some stress, a good kind of stress that will push you to achieve that goal. You really want a good type of stress in your life to continuously push your limits and to grow, but you don't want bad stress in your life that might harm you in the long term. So please don't take a lot of stress. Take a little bit of stress that is good for you and your health and your environment. So there are a lot of takeaways from this video. You need to note all of them down, but the major takeaway that I want to give you from this video is live in present. The only thing that exists is now. The only thing that exists is this present moment. You have to live here. You don't have to think of the future, what might happen, what might not. Obviously you want to have the strategy. You will need to have the strategies to work everything out. You need to have some consequences in the mind that if I'll follow this strategy, what might come as a consequence, as an outcome. But you don't want to constantly think of consequences and outcomes. So the major takeaway that I'll give to you is the only moment that here is now, and if you'll constantly think of the future, the stress will evolve in you, and you don't want that bad stress. So it's better to have strategies, but it's not better to have stress. You have got one life, dude. Just chill, enjoy, relax, and do whatever you want to do, but don't take stress. If you genuinely loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below what I can improve in this video. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep watching Custy Styler.